welcome to GeoGGI Solution Tutorial channel. I am Eman-J Adaviruku. Today, I want to take you through the causes of data corruption and repair of data source in ArcGIS. Data corruption essentially is a situation where your ArcGIS project cannot recognize the data source or the folder where your data are stored. Now, we have various causes of these data corruptions, and one of it is renaming of parent folder. So what I want to do in this exercise, I will demonstrate each of these causes and show you how to repair it. So when you rename the parent folder, it can cause data corruption. Even if you rename the data itself, after you have created the project, you now go back to the folder and rename the folder or rename the file, it can cause it. Deleting of this file or data can also cause it. So let's demonstrate it practically. Now, I have a folder here called exercise folder, and in this exercise folder, I have another folder, this one called data. Inside, I have series of data. I have boundary, buildings, occupants, parcel, and road network. And all these vector data, I've opened them in ArcGIS project called exercise. So let me open this project now called exercise. I've opened it already, and this is it. See, this is it, exercise. Now, in the exercise, I have the occupants, road network, buildings, parcel, and boundary, and of course the raster data, which is the background map. Now, if you look at this as it is, everything is fine. You can see everything. But what can cause this data to be corrupt? And I said number one is renaming of parent folder can be a cause. So let me close this project now. Then I will rename the folder where this data is the parent folder. Then I'll open it again for you to see how it can be corrupted. So let me close it. So let me just say no. I have closed it now. So now let's go back a bit like this. This is the parent folder. So let me rename it. If I should rename it and call it data 1. So I've renamed it now as data 1. Cancel. So let me rename it again, data 1. So I've changed the name of the parent folder from data to data 1. Let's see what happened by the time we open the project inside. So this is the project. So let me double click to open it. Double click, so it will open. So it has opened. You can see now this is data corruptions. You see a danger mark or exclamation mark in red, telling us that this data source, this data has been corrupted. So how do we repair it? The causes of this data corruption in this instance is caused by renaming the parent folder. And you remember, in that folder it used to be data, but now I've renamed it to data 1. So for renaming it, this project could not recognize the data source. That is why it's not displaying, though the layers are on the table of content. So how do we repair it? To repair it, as it is highlighted, you can just go to one of these layers. Two ways to do it. You right click. When you right click, come to data, you see repair data source. If you click on it, it will take you to data source to repair it. Alternatively, you can just click here. Click here. When you click, it will take you to the data source or ask you to navigate to the data source. And the one where you click is this boundary. This is it, boundary. You click on it and click add. So when you click add, it will repair the layers, repair the data, and it will be able to display. This is number one, causes and how to repair it. So number two, renaming of data or file. For example, as it is, let's go back to the exercise folder. So as it is, we have all the data in this folder, and we have opened it as a project in ArcGIS. This is it. If we should rename any of these, what happens? So let's try to do it. For example, you see this occupant. For example, let's just rename one of them, even as simple as removing this small one letter S. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. Okay, we have removed, it used to be occupant. We have renamed this. Now let's see what happens. If you go back to ArcGIS, you have to reopen it. You close it, just say no. Then you come back to this exercise and open it again. We have launched it again. Let's see what happens. It's coming. Let's see what happens. Okay, you can see all the data has been corrupted. The reason is these occupants, we have renamed it in here as just occupant. We have removed the S. So as a result of renaming of the file, renaming of the data in the parent folder, as a result of that, it has been corrupted. Now if we try to repair it the way we did it for the other one, it will not work. If you come to data and say repair, now if you look at it, this is occupant with S. This one, we have changed it to just occupant without S. If you try to repair it, it will not repair. See, it say error repairing. How do we repair it? To repair it, it's occupant, so you have to come back to this folder here, and this occupant, you have to put back the S and write it correctly, S. So we have put the X. Now let's now go back to our exercise folder, project. So this one now, we have to repair it, come back, repair. So we have put the S. If you click on it and add, it will be done, it will be repaired. So this is the second way of doing it. Now the third cause of this, we have checked the renaming of parent folder, renaming of data file. Number three is that deleting data from source. If you delete data from source, it can also cause it. So let's check it out. For example, let's just close this. No, so we have closed it. Let's assume we just delete, let's take for example building. Let's delete just building, this building. If you delete it, we have deleted it. Now let's go back and open the project. Let's try to open the project and see what happens. So you can see now the data has been corrupted because you have deleted one of the data from the parent folder. Now if you try to repair it like this, we deleted building. If you try to repair it, click here, you can see that building is no longer in our parent folder. The building is not there, so you can't repair it. How do we repair it? To repair it, let's close this, minimize this. So minimize this. We have to go back to our recycling bin. Open recycling bin. So this building we deleted is now in the recycling bin. You have to right click and restore. Once you restore it, building, it has been restored. So you have to go back to our ArcGIS project, then click here. So you can see that building has been restored. So click building and click add. So you can see that our project, our data source has been repaired. So these are various ways that data corruptions is caused and how to repair the data source in ArcGIS. And of course, we have the remaining one, moving data into another folder, saving another data of different format or CRS in the parent folder, and so on. But whichever is the cause of the data corruption. The way to do it is to click as if you want to check that folder, that layer. It will prompt you to the folder where the data is. You click on the data and you add, it will be repaired. So re-adding the corrupted layer is what repairs the corrupted layer. So these are the causes of corruptions of data or projects in ArcGIS and how to repair it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you.